Mr. Acharya, who is fondly called Master, moves from village to village to look after the needs of the weavers. He is the weavers' friend, philosopher, guide, and also president of one of the largest weavers' cooperatives in the area, which provides jobs for some 5,000 weavers' families. With the initiative from Master Acharya and others, a cooperative spinning mill is in operation at Baragada, supplying yarns to the weavers. Also, a dyeing factory in the cooperative sector, which caters to the bulk dyeing requirements of the weavers. Over the years, the weavers of Sambalpur have remained poor. Sophistication has not touched them, but they have remained the creators of some of the finest fabrics in the country.